Again, we're done with this page, so I can go ahead, tap that, or you can save it if you want to come back to it, or if you want to go ahead and clear it out, tap it and clear it out. I'll turn off my EFG, turn on my IJKL, and I'm also going to reduce the opacity again, turn on my practice layer, make sure it's highlighted blue, and just for fun, I'll change my color again. I'm going to do purple this time, and again, 2 variations of your letter I. So for your straight up and down one, this one is done in 1 fluid motion. So you're gonna go light, heavy, light, and then your I is just heavy to light. And then the little dot above the I is called a tittle. And you can draw something and fill it in. You can just do that. But one thing to know, traditionally, especially in lettering, the width of the tittle is always a little bigger than the width of the letter I. So you can draw a circle like that and hold your finger down and see how it changes to a perfect circle. And then you can either just color it in or fill it in like that. So again, light, heavy, light, heavy, light. And then I like to draw a circle, hold my finger down, and drag and drop my color. For the angled letter I, it's one of those just like the H. So you can go light, heavy, which is pretty easy for this one, or you could do the heavy and then add that second light stroke. I think that comes out smoother for me, but it might just depend on your hand and what works best for you. Either way is fine. Yeah, I think that's more fluid for me. And the slanted I is the exact same, just on that angle. So light, heavy, add your dot. I'll show you a trick this way. Light, heavy, so draw your circle again. And this helps if you're doing bigger pieces, but you can drag and drop your color, click continue filling, and then you can just tap in your color. So when that's handy is, let's say you have a lot of maybe illustration work with your calligraphy and you've got all these different elements. Let's just quickly draw some in. And now I need to color them all in. So if I tap continue filling, I can just go around my page and quickly color everything in. So that can be handy even for simple calligraphy. That's it for letter I.